right?
Plan B! What the? This is me?
Hi everyone, and in today's video, I'm making Fin Sword from Adventure Time. I have a template in the description box below. I started by using cereal box cardboard for the blade and middle of the sword. Lightly score the middle of it, make a crisp line. After that, I glued the two pieces together using super glue and used tape to hold it together while the super glue dries. Then I rolled a bunch of paper and joined 3 of them using tape. I inserted the long paper stick to the sword. The length of the handle should be 8 inches. Here I'm just joining 2 paper together using tape and rolling it to make the cover of the handle. I'm using super glue to secure it in place. I cut 8 pieces of half a circle for the stuffing of the middle of the sword. By the way, I'm using double corrugated cardboard. To hide the corrugation of the cardboard, I cut this piece of cereal box cardboard from the template. Now for the blue middle piece, I use cereal box cardboard to make this, and I lightly scored the 2 circles as seen. Then I bended the sides and put tape to temporarily hold it together. After putting tapes, super glue the inside of it. You could also use hot glue if you prefer that. I cut this circle from a cereal box cardboard and put it inside this dome that I made. The template that I made is not perfect, so I need to adjust it a bit. After completing the dome, you can now super glue it to the middle of the sword, like this. Of course, do the same for the other side. I cut this piece from the cereal box cardboard and the inside pieces are double corrugated cardboard. Just stack them up like so. And to hide the corrugation, just cover it like this. I made this by rolling like 10 pieces of paper. The width of this is about 1 cm. Then I use super glue to harden it. After that, it should be put like this. I forgot to start recording, so here I am sanding the filler that I put earlier on. I'm using a 300 grit sandpaper here. Just keep sanding and add wood filler until you get the result you wanted. After that, I applied filler primer and wet sand the whole sword using a 600 grit sandpaper. After sanding it, I proceeded to paint it with white paint, and after it dried, I covered the outside of the dome so I can paint the dome blue. And after the paint dry, I remove the tape and paper, and finally, spray the whole sword with clear acrylic paint. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Peace!
What the?